Hello students, today I am solving the problems on journal entries. So here I taken the question from question paper 2019. Question paper 2019. So here the first question comes here now. March 1st, Kumar commenced business with cash rupees 25,000. Kumar commenced business with cash rupees 25,000. So here what is the journal entry comes? Okay, so here business, so cash comes in. How it comes here now? By the way of Kumar's capital. So here Kumar's capital becomes under personal account and cash account comes under real account. So what are the rules of personal account? So debit the receiver, credit the giver. And what is the rules of real account? Debit what comes in, credit what goes out. So here first the cash account, it comes in real account. So in business what comes in? In business cash comes in. So cash account debit. Next one, so Kumar's capital, it comes under personal account. So here Kumar is giver or he is a receiver. So here Kumar is a giver. So Kumar's capital account should be credited. So here I taken the entry here now. Here I taken the entry March 1st 2017. Cash account debit to Kumar's capital account credit. If you are writing only capital account also accepted. If you are writing Kumar's capital account also accepted. So what is the amount here now? Amount is 25,000 and credit side also 25,000. Now here what you have to write the narration. What do you mean by narration? Narration is nothing but a simple information about the question. Simple information about the question or the entries you just made here. So here narration is being business started with cash. Being business started with cash. So this is the first entry. Second entry here now. March 2nd deposited into bank. So always, okay, once you go to the bank here now, what we are going to deposit? Always you are going to deposit only cash. Because so in bank they are going to accept the cash or else they are going to disburse the cash only. That's why whenever the word comes deposited into bank means we should assume that we are depositing the cash only. Now here, so if they given SBI bank account, HDFC bank account, if the name of the bank account they given, so that time it comes under personal account. Now only they given here now bank means we should assume that it comes under real account. We should assume that it comes under real account. So in okay, so here in bank account what comes in bank what comes in? So in bank cash comes in. So that's why bank account should be debited here. And again, so in business what goes out? In business cash goes out. So that's why cash account should be credited. That's why cash account should be credited. So here I taken the entry I written here now. March 2nd 2017 bank account debit to cash account credit. Bank account debit to cash account credit. Now we have to write the amount here now. Amount is here now 15,000. Amount is given here now 15,000 debit side and we should write 15,000 credit side. We should write here now 15,000 credit side. Now we have to write here now narration being cash deposited into bank. Cash deposited into bank. We should always write the simple narration. Don't write everything here now. Okay, we just as much as write, you can write simple narration. Next we'll go for here now March 3rd here now. Bought goods from Raju and company. Bought goods from Raju and company rupees 5,000. Okay, bought is nothing but purchased. We should always understand here now. Bought is nothing but purchased. from whom here now? From Raju and company. First foremost important, we have to understand here now, if the cash word is mentioned under this question, no. Okay, in this question they not mention the cash word. Okay, if the cash word is not given, we should assume that we are purchasing from Raju and company on credit basis. Okay, we are purchasing from Raju and company on credit basis. So that's why. So what you purchase here now? You purchased goods. Okay, whenever the purchased goods, okay, you can write here now purchase account, or you can write here now goods account. Okay, so both will be accepted here now. I'll write always here now purchase account. March, always should write here now March 3rd. Okay, March 3rd 2017. March 3rd 2017. So I'll write here now purchase account debit. Purchase account debit. Purchase account debit to Raju and company account. Raju and company account. Okay, maybe you are wondering here now why I am taking the Raju account here. Okay, now purchase account, it comes under nominal account. Purchase will comes under nominal account. What is the rules of nominal account here now? Debit debit all the expenses and losses, and credit all the incomes and profits. Okay, credit all the incomes and profits. And Raju and company account here now, because we are purchasing on credit basis. So whenever you are purchasing on a credit basis, you should take the party name here. So what is the party name here now? The party name is here now Raju and company. That's why here now. So here Raju and company is a receiver or he is a giver. You should always understand here now Raju and company is a giver or receiver. So here Raju and company is a giver. That's why Raju and company account should be credited. Now purchase is a expense. That's why purchase account should be debited. What is the amount here now? Amount is 5,000 debit side. Credits also 5,000. Next we will write here now being goods purchased on credit. Being goods purchased on credit. So this much is enough here now. You don't write here now purchase from Raju and company. Okay, simple terms you can write being goods purchased on credit, so that we can easily complete the sentence. Next one, paid Raju and company by check. Next one here now, paid Raju and company by check. Okay, whenever the word comes check, we should assume that okay, we are paying the this. Okay, so here the bank account will be going to effect. Okay, here now bank account will be going to effect means in our bank account our balance will be reducing. Okay, so here bank account the balance will be reducing, or bank is a giver. Okay, here now what happens here now, bank is giving the cash. That's why. What is the date here now? Date is March 4th 2017. March 2017. So here whom you are given the cash here now? We given the cash to Raju. Oh sorry, we given the checks to Raju and company. Now we should write Raju and company account. Raju and company account debit. Okay, Raju and company account debit. Okay, because why you need to why you are debiting the Raju and company account? Because Raju and company is a receiver. Okay, he is receiver of the check. That's why Raju and company account should be debited to bank account credit. To bank account credit. What is the amount here now? Amount is 1,500. How much you paid the check here now? We paid check only here now 1,500. We'll write here now 1,500. Okay, so 1,500 and 1,500 being check paid to Raju and company. Being check paid to Raju and company. Okay, next entry here. Okay, we'll go for the next entry. Sold goods to Manju, rupees 4,000. Okay, now here sold is nothing but we done the sales. Okay, we done the sales. Whom you sold here now? We sold to Manju. Again, we should see that here any word the cash is mentioned here. No. Okay, here also the cash word is not mentioned, means we sold goods to Manju on credit only. Okay, so whenever the word comes credit, okay, we should take here now. So Manju. Okay, Manju is a receiver or a giver here. So Manju is a receiver. Then sales account comes under nominal account. Okay, sales account comes under nominal account. What is the rules of nominal account? Debit all expenses, credit all the incomes. Once you done the sales means or sold the goods means you are getting a income. Okay, you are getting the income. That's why here now we should write date here now. Date is here now March 5th 2017. March 5th 2017. So what you are write here now? You are write Manju account. Why? Because Manju is receiving the goods on credit basis. Manju is receiving the goods on credit basis. Means on credit means here now. So he is going to pay the amount in future period. So what is the Manju account debit to? To sales account, to sales account credit. So here Manju is the receiver of goods, that's why Manju account will be debited, and sales is a income, so that's why sales account should be credited. What is the amount here now? Amount is 4,000 debit side and credit side also 4,000. Narration: being goods sold on credit. Being goods on sold on credit to Manju you can write, or being goods sold on credit you can write, that much is enough here. Next entry here now, returned goods to Raju and company. Okay, return goods to Raju and company. So here March 6th 2017 we are returning the goods to Raju and company. See, initially on the date here now on March 3rd we are purchased goods from Raju and company. Now we are returning the Raju and company, means we are doing purchase return. Okay, we are doing the purchase return. To whom we are returning here now? We are returning to Raju and company. So here Raju and company is receiver or giver. So here Raju and company will be receiver. That's why Raju and company account should be debited. Raju and company account debited. Raju and company account should be debited. Then to purchase return account, to purchase return account credit. Okay, so here Raju and company account, Raju and company will be receiver, and purchase return means here now, so it's we are treating as a income. So purchase return will be always treated as here now as a income, because your return means you are getting some cash. What is the amount here now? The amount is here now 200. Amount is here now 200. Debit side 200 you write, and credit side also 200. Narration: being goods returned to Raju and company. Return to Raju and company. Now we'll go for here next entry. Received from Manju on account rupees 1,200. Received from Manju on account. Okay, received from Manju on account rupees 1,200. So here on account is nothing but initially we sold goods to Manju on credit. Now we are receiving the cash from Manju. So that means here now this one received on account. Received cash from Manju on account. That's why, so don't underestimate here now. Okay, on account means you don't consider as a bank account, because I have one experience that here now one of my student here now taken. So on account means here now they taken as here now bank account. So that's why, so please don't take it as here now. On account means here now, initially we sold goods to Manju on credit. Now he is giving back the cash here. So the date is here now, March 7 2017. So here we should write here now what you are receiving here now. We are receiving the cash. So because on account, okay, so cash account debit, because in business what comes in, cash comes in. So who is the giver here now? Here Manju is giving the cash, so to Manju account credit. What is the amount here now? 1200. 1200 being cash received, being cash received from Manju, being cash received from Manju. On account also you can write, or you can write this much is enough. Next one, received commission. Okay, received commission. So very important is here now, received commission. So what is the date here now? Date is to March 8 2008, this one 17. So received commission means what here now? Commission received is a income, commission paid is a expense. That what is the rules of nominal account? Debit all the expenses, credit all the incomes. So here commission received is a income, it will be always credited. Okay, how you are going to receive the commission here now? By the way of cash only. Okay, you are going to receive the commission by the way of cash only. In business what comes in? In business cash comes in. That's why cash account should be debited. Clear everyone here now? So we are going to receive the commission by the way of cash only. So that's why in business what you are receiving? You are receiving the cash. Okay, how we are receiving? By the way of commission. So I'll write here now, to commission received account credit. Okay, so please everyone write down here now, to commission received account credit. So if you are just writing commission, again you are going to get confusion, it should be paid or it should be received. So that's why, so please write it down as here now, commission received only. What is the amount here now? It's a 400. Okay, amount is here now 400. Next one, credits are also 400. Now it's I written 4000, sorry, 400 being commission received, being commission received in cash. Sometimes you may get as a this one, okay, as a check also, but here you are getting a commission on cash. That's why I written here now, cash means you will clear that here now. So that's why you taken as a cash account debit. Next one, paid office rent by check, paid office rent by check. Now what is the date here now? March 9th 2017. Okay, so what you received here now? You received here now, you paid office rent. So office rent is a expense, always you understand here now, office rent is a expense. That's why office it comes, okay, it should be always taken under debit side. How you are paying here now? By the way of check. Okay, whenever the word comes check, you should take as a bank account. Okay, so you are providing the check means here now, so bank account should be credited. I'll write here now, office rent account debit, or you can just write rent account also accepted. Office rent account debit to bank account credit, to bank account credit. Okay, office rent account because office rent is a expense, and bank account because we are giving the check. So giving the check means here now, from bank here now cash is going out. Debit side you should write 600, credit side also you write here now 600. Narration, being office rent paid by check, office rent being office rent paid by check. Then last entry here now, March 10th 2017. March 10th 2017. Withdraw cash from bank for personal use. Very important question. Okay, withdrawn cash from bank for personal use. Okay, so always we are remembering that here now, whenever we are withdrawing the money from the bank for personal use, means here now you should take as a drawings account. For office use you should take as a cash account. For personal use you should take as here now, okay, this one drawings account. So please clear. So here now, yeah, okay, withdrawing cash from business for personal use you should take as a drawings account debit. Withdrawn cash from bank for personal use should take as here now drawings account debit. If the word comes personal use, we should take here now drawings account debit. Drawings account debit. Drawings account debit. Okay, drawings account debit to bank account credit. To bank account credit, because from bank cash will be going out. From bank cash will be going out. So that's why you should take the amount here now 700. Amount is how much here now? 700 debit side. Credit side also 700. What is the narration here now? Being cash withdrawn from bank for personal use. Okay, being cash withdrawn from, okay, from bank for personal use. Okay, so this is the journal entry. So make sure that here now in exam you are following this format only. So you should prepare the 5 columns. First column date, second column particulars, third column ledger folio, fourth column debit, and fifth column credit. Afterwards you should do here now totaling. Okay, so afterwards you should do the totaling of debit and credits are also total. Okay, so I'll just, okay, try to do the totaling here now. 25,000 plus 15,000 plus 5,000. So 25, 15, 40, 45, 46,500. Then 50,500, 50,700, 50,700, 50,900, 51,900, 51,900, 52,300, 52,300, 52,300, 53,000, 53,600. Okay, so what is the amount here now? It's a 53,600. 53,600. I am using here now calculator also, automatic Excel calculator. So let's see my total will be correct or else I need to improve my maths. Okay, I got it is a 28,200 plus 25,000. Okay, see now it's a 53,200. I got us here now 53,600. No issues. The 53,200. So total both the side here now 53,200. So you have to follow in exam. Okay, this way only. So please, if you are going to solve one question, okay, one entry you are going to write for properly, you are going to carry 1 mark. 10 question you are writing correctly, you are getting 10 marks. If you are writing 5 this one question correctly, you are going to get 5 marks. So make sure that write down proper question. Okay, this one entries. Okay, if you are knowing how much entries, 8 entries only, you just write 8 entries perfectly. Okay, so don't worry here now. Okay, now here I'll end the meeting. This one I'll end the video here now. So next video we'll meet you people.